Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the external USB ports on HP Compaq 250. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, just go to the configuration, then go down to built-in device options and click on enter, then go down to external USB port, click on enter, and now you can set it to disabled or enabled. And when it's enabled, you can also restrict the USB devices, so go down, then click on enter, and now you can set it to allow all USB devices, allow only keyboard and mouse, or allow all but storage devices and hubs. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.